Welcome back to another St. Patrick's Week video. I have a huge surprise in store for you guys today. I am a huge fan of liqueur and baking, and this Bailey's Irish chocolate coffee cake recipe is one of my favorites. My sister came over to help out with this. In fact, she did this entire cake for this video, so huge shout out to her. Let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need. To start, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9 by 13 inch loaf pan with cooking spray. Then we're going to prepare the filling. In a medium bowl, whisk half a cup of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of instant espresso powder until combined. Then we're going to prepare the batter. In a large bowl, beat 3/4 cups of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder until combined and smooth. Next, add your eggs. We beat in 3 eggs, one at a time. Then we're going to add our wet ingredients. Pour in 2/3 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of Bailey's, and mix again until combined. Next, we're going to add our flour. Gradually add 3 cups of all-purpose flour while continuously mixing until combined. Then you're going to prepare the cake. This is the fun part. Transfer half the batter into the prepared baking dish, then sprinkle an even layer of filling over the top, and finally you're going to top the cake with the remaining half of the batter. Moving on to our topping. In a medium bowl, we're going to whisk 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon of espresso powder, and a pinch of salt until combined. Then you're going to pour in 4 tablespoons of melted butter and stir to mix through and combine. Next, you're going to top your cake. Evenly scatter the prepared topping over the batter. Now that your cake is prepared, we're going to bake it in the preheated oven for about 1 hour, and here we go. Once baked, you're going to drizzle some melted chocolate over the cake and cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving. This Bailey's Irish chocolate coffee cake is a real game changer in the world of baking. Overloaded with all the best flavors, and I think you're going to love it. Once you bake this cake, you're not going to be able to help yourself. You're going to want to take plenty of pictures and post them online to brag to all of your friends and family. This is the perfect dessert for St. Patrick's Day as it incorporates that Irish cream liqueur. This is the first time I've ever tried this cake, and I was pleasantly surprised. Definitely give this one a try. I give this one an A++, and a huge shout out to my sister for putting together such an amazing dessert for us. Stay tuned for our next Irish recipe for St. Patrick's Week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. As always, happy St. Patrick's Week! Bye guys!